Hello, in this video I'm going to show the AI features that you might didn't know about on Google Pixel 10. Okay, so let's begin with the eraser, which can help us to, for example, get rid of the things that are on the photos that we don't simply want. Of course, as you open up the Pixel, actually how it's called, I need to find out, My Pixel. In here we have a list of all the features that we have on this device, and I'll show you, in my opinion, the best one. So it's under the photos and videos, and it's the magic eraser. I'll show you how to do it, how to use it. So first we need to open up the photos. Now select the photo that you want to edit. So let's say I'll pick, I need to, for example, that one. And now let's click on the edit. And now select the actions. And in here we have our magic eraser. Thanks to that, we'll be able to erase one of the objects. So select it. Okay. Now click on erase. Just like that. And as you can see, it disappeared from the screen. Click on that icon to save. Pretty easy thing. But can help a lot. Click on save as copy, and now that's the normal photo, and that's the edited. As you can see, it was really well erased. We don't have any shadows or anything like that. We don't have any remaining pixels or anything like that. Everything was erased just like it should be done, in a pretty good way. So that's a pretty cool thing. Also, not that one, but also you can erase, for example, the unwanted sounds from your videos. It works just the same. You just need to open up the Google Photos, and you will be able to erase the, for example, the traffic and things like that. Okay, the next thing is the Gemini and the things that we can do thanks to it. So, for example, let's say that we want to set an alarm, and we can ask the AI to do it for us. Simply. We don't need to do this manually, and the Gemini can do that stuff for us. Pretty cool thing. So, simply launch the Gemini and give him the task. I'll show you how it's done. Set an alarm at 7 p.m. and name it Do the Laundry. I set an alarm for 7 p.m. with the label Do the Laundry. Okay, due to AI, the alarm has been set. Just to make sure, let's open up the clock app, and you can see that Do the Laundry tomorrow, actually today, 7 p.m. And it's named correctly. Do the Laundry, everything works as it should. So that's, of course, one of the things how we can use the AI for our advantage. For example, of course, we can also ask him to search for something in the internet. Let's say we are hungry and we want to eat something, and we don't know where exactly. We want to eat some Thai food, for example, and let's ask the AI where is the nearest Thai food restaurant. So let's ask him that question. Find me the nearest Thai restaurant. Here's the nearest Thai restaurant. Address: 82, 31 to 147 Krakow. Distance: 230 meters. Opening hours: Monday to Saturday, 11 a.m. to 9. Okay, so as you can see, our restaurant has been found. Of course, if you want to use it, you need to have your location turned on your device. Only then the AI will be able to find it for you. In here you can see the location, thanks to the Google Maps. In here is my location, and in here is the restaurant. We can also say the AI to open it up in the Google Maps now. Now open it in Google Maps. Okay. And as you can see, it turned on. Click on while using the app.
Head northeast.
Okay, and now we have the location of our Thai restaurant, and we even have the road to it. Pretty cool thing. So that's an example how you can use the AI into your advantage. Also, we have something called Talk It Out Live with Gemini. In here you can read how it works. We need to open up the live icon when we want to use it. In here we have a preview. So let's hold. Click on that icon. And now the Gemini launched. Okay, go live with Gemini. Tapping the live button turns on the mic. To turn off the mic, tap and hold or end buttons or say stop. Some features aren't available in live yet. And now we need to click on OK, and we will be able to begin the conversation with the AI. So now I'll try to talk to him, but I just need to know what to do. Yet. I need to write a job application. Can you help me with that? I don't know yet, actually.
Okay, no problem. Let's start with your skills and experience. Can you tell me about your previous jobs or any relevant skills you have?
Or, actually, let's not talk about it. You know what? Actually, I'm hungry. Could you tell me where is the nearest pizza place? Because I would like to eat it.
I found 5 pizza places near you that are open right now. The closest one is the Pizza, about 240 meters away. Then there's Power Food Pizzeria, about 400 meters away, and Restaurantia Rucola, about 500 meters away. Would you like to hear about the other 2?
No, actually, change of mind. I need to fly to the France. Could you open up the navigation because I need to get to the airport, please?
Okay, I've found the Krakow airport. I'm now getting directions for you. I apologize, but I'm unable to start navigation. However, I can give you directions to Miedz and Orgami Port Magnicia and John and Paula to Krakow Police. It's about 10.2 kilometers away. Would you like me to provide those directions?
Okay, so as you can see, the AI works in that way. Pretty cool thing, and I highly recommend you to try it on your own to use the live method. And the last thing that I want to show you is talk to Gemini about what you see. Simply click on that, share your camera or screen in live conversations with Gemini Live. So in here we have a quick tutorial how we can use it, and now we'll be able to tap the camera icon. So let's click on Get Started. Click on that icon, click on while using the app.
It looks like you're trying to open the app. I'm not seeing an icon here. Could you show me the screen again? But a little closer this time.
How is this plant called?
That's a nice looking artificial succulent bonsai plant. Are you looking for care tips? Or did you have something else in mind?
I just want to know what its name because I would like to buy another one and I cannot remember how this flower is called.
Sure, that looks like a black air plant, also known as Tillandsia blacki. You can probably find another one in the garden center or science you're curious about?
Currently not, but next to me I have a bottle of water. Could you please tell me what...
Quite see the bottle.
Wait a second, I'll place it for you.
Okay, I see the bottle now. What would you like to know about it?
When it was made, I mean, the firm, when did it appear in the market?
I found the date you're looking for. Yanka has been around since 1951. Is there anything else you'd like to know about it?
No, that's all, thanks. Alright, so that's how you can open up the camera while you're using the Gemini. For me, it works really cool, and I highly recommend for you to find it out for yourself how you can use the AI. And that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.